Karima Singh, student of BA third semester RCB Educational College, Lucknow. Today I am going to discuss about the topic the solar system. So, our solar system mainly consists of a big star known as Sun and everything that revolves around it, including planets, moons, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, etc. हमारा सौरमंडल सन जो कि सेंटर में पाया जाता है और इसके चारों तरफ different planets, meteoroids, asteroids, and moon, comets, etc. revolve करते हैं. These are called celestial bodies. There are total of 8 planets and 5 dwarf planets with 20 with 200 plus moons, thousands of comets, and lakhs of asteroids present in the solar system. The um, The solar system is derived from a word sol, which is a Latin word. It means the sun. Solar means all that are connected to the sun in some way or the other. जानते हैं सोलर सिस्टम का नाम सोलर सिस्टम क्यों पड़ा? Why is it named the solar system? Our planetary system is located in the Milky Way galaxy with the sun being at the center. All the planets revolve around a big star that is called Sun. Hence, our planetary system is known as solar system, as anything related to the sun is called solar. So, let's understand what are planets. The word planet comes from a Greek word planetai, which means wanderer. They are celestial bodies that revolve around the sun in a fixed path called an orbit. Planet word ग्रीक वर्ड प्लेनेटाई से लिया गया है. ये सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज होती हैं जो कि सन के चारों तरफ अपनी एक फिक्स्ड पाथ में रोटेट होती रहती है, रिवॉल्व होती रहती हैं, जिसको कि उनकी ऑर्बिट बोलते हैं. दे आर स्फेरिकल इन शेप. दे हैव नो हीट एंड लाइट ऑफ देयर ओन, बट दे रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट द सन हैव. Planets don't have their own light, but they reflect the light the sun have. Before coming to the planets, different planets of solar system, let's know about the sun, which is at the center of solar system. The sun is by far the largest object in our solar system. It contains 99.8% of the solar system's mass and is a hot ball of glowing gases. Different gases are present in sun. The gravity of sun holds the solar system together, keeping everything in its orbit. Due to the gravity that holds sun in solar system, planets orbit the sun in oval-shaped paths called ellipse. Planets सन के चारों तरफ एक फिक्स पाथ में रोटेट होते रहते हैं, जो कि ओवल शेप पाथ होता है, जिसको एलिप्स भी बोलते हैं. विद द सन स्लाइटली ऑफ सेंटर are termed as terrestrial planets. मरकरी, वीनस, अर्थ एंड मार्स को हम टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लैनेट के नाम से जानते हैं, विच मीन्स दे हैव अ हार्ड रॉकी सरफेस। इनका सरफेस कैसा होता है? हार्ड एंड रॉकी होता है। द farthest four planets of solar system, namely Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are called gas giants. लास्ट के जो फोर प्लैनेट्स हैं, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपच्यून, इनको हम गैस जाइंट्स के नाम से जानते हैं। These planets are much larger and their surface is composed of gas elements. क्योंकि ये काफ़ी लार्ज साइज के होते हैं और इनका जो कॉम्पोजिशन होता है वो मेनली गैस एलिमेंट से मिलकर बना होता है, मोस्टली हाइड्रोजन। सो there are 8 planets in our solar system and sun is at the center, and all planets are revolving around the sun in our solar system. So, the first planet of our solar system is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It also closest to the sun. Mercury is the planet which is very closest to the sun. It has no moon. It is the smallest planet of our solar system. It can be observed just before sunrise or just after sunset near the horizon. It takes only 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. इसको अपनी ऑर्बिट कंप्लीट करने के लिए केवल 88 डेज लगते हैं। Mercury has no satellite or moon of its own. It exhibits fastest revolution time. The extreme weather plus 400 degrees centigrade varies to 200 degrees centigrade. Mercury is also known as the Roman god of commerce. So this was about the Mercury, which is very closest to the sun, and it is the smallest planet of our solar system. So the second planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is also called as Earth twins because of its size, which is similar to the size of Earth. It is the brightest planet of the solar system. It is often called as morning or evening star, although it is not a star. Venus has no moon or satellite of its own. It rotates from east to west while the Earth rotates from west to east. So the second planet we have discussed about Venus. Now the third planet is Earth. Third planet is Earth, which is nearest to the Sun. It is the fifth largest planet where life is possible because of presence of water and air on Earth. It is slightly flattened at the poles, hence its shape is described as geoid. The Earth has only one moon. It is known as blue planet. The Earth is located at the favorable distance from the Sun. The Earth is the only planet on which water is found in liquid, solid, and gaseous form. So, because of presence of gas, um, air, and water, Earth is known as blue planet. Now, the fourth planet is Mars. It appears slightly reddish due to the presence of iron oxides, and hence it is known as red planet. मार्स को लाल ग्रह या रेड प्लैनेट के नाम से जाना जाता है क्योंकि जो इसका सरफेस है वो आयरन ऑक्साइड की प्रेजेंस की वजह से स्लाइटली रेडिश होता है। इट हैज़ ऑलमोस्ट द सेम पीरियड रोटेशन एज द अर्थ। इसका इसका जो रोटेशन पीरियड है वो ऑलमोस्ट अर्थ की तरह है. इट हैज टू मून. मार्स हैज टू मून्स और natural satellite. Nix Olympia is a mountain spotted in Mars, which is 3 times higher than the Mount Everest. The mountain which is spotted in Mars is named as Nix Olympia, which uh, which is 3 times higher than the Mount Everest, which is in Earth. The name of two satellites are Phobos and Deimos, which are present in Mars. It is also known as Roman god of war. So the next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. The mass of the Jupiter is about 318 times that of our Earth. It rotates very rapidly on its axis. It has faint rings around it. It has 75 moons or natural satellites. And the next planet is Saturn. Saturn appears yellowish in color. It has bright rings around its equator. Saturn is a planet which has a ring around its equator. These rings are made of icy particles and it is colder than Jupiter. Its temperature is colder than Jupiter. It looks beautiful because of the ring. It has 7 main rings. It has 82 moons or natural satellites. Saturn सैटर्न में 82 मून्स या फिर नेचुरल सैटेलाइट पाए जाते हैं. सैटर्न ऑल्सो हैज अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सैटेलाइट. सबसे ज़्यादा सैटर्न में सैटेलाइट्स पाई जाती हैं. इट इज़ द लीस्ट डेंस अमंग ऑल द प्लैनेट. So the next planet is Uranus. It is called as green planet because of the presence of methane gas. मीथेन गैस की प्रेजेंट होने के कारण यूरेनस को हम ग्रीन प्लैनेट नाम से भी जानते हैं. लाइक वीनस, यूरेनस ऑल्सो रोटेट्स फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. तो रोटेशन का डायरेक्शन क्या है? ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. जैसा कि हमने वीनस में भी पढ़ा था, वीनस का भी ईस्ट टू वेस्ट होता है एंड यूरेनस का भी रोटेशन फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट होता है. यूरेनस हैज 5 मेजर मून. यूरेनस के 5 मुख्य रूप से 5 मून होते हैं. मिरांडा, एरियल, अम्ब्रियल, टाइटेनिया एंड ओबेरॉन. These are 5 moons of Uranus. It has total 27 moons made. And if we talk about total number of moons, they are 27 in numbers. It is also known as ancient green god. It is known as the sideways planet because it rotates on its side. इसको हम साइडवेज प्लैनेट के नाम से भी जानते हैं क्योंकि ये अपनी साइड पे रोटेट करता है. फर्स्ट प्लैनेट फाउंड यूजिंग अ टेलीस्कोप. इट इज द फर्स्ट प्लैनेट विच इज फाउंड यूजिंग अ टेलीस्कोप. Now, the next planet is the Neptune, which is the 8th planet of solar system. It is the coldest planet and the wildest planet. There are 14 satellites. The number of satellites in Neptune is 14. At least 5 main rings are present in Neptune. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft visited there. अभी तक नेपच्यून में Voyager 2 नाम से स्पेसक्राफ्ट भी विजिट कर चुका है. इट इज एन आइस जाइंट. नेपच्यून इज नेम्ड आफ्टर द रोमन गॉड ऑफ सी. नेपच्यून का नाम रोमन गॉड ऑफ सी के नाम से ही पड़ा. अब जानते हैं ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट क्या है. ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट्स आर ऑब्जेक्ट सिमिलर टू प्लैनेट्स इन द सोलर सिस्टम. However, they are defined as not large enough to qualify to be named as a planet, as they do not named as a planet because they cleared their orbital region of other objects. There are five known dwarf planets in the solar system, namely Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Haumea, and Mycenae. Now, what are asteroids? Asteroid belt is a region between the planets Mars and Jupiter. In this region of asteroid belt, thousands of rocky objects orbit around the Sun. They range in size from tiny dust-like particles to dwarf spheres. Some facts about the planet that is Earth. The estimated age of Earth is 4,600 million years. The Earth is 23 and a half tilted on its axis and thus makes 66 and a half degree angle with planets of its orbit. It takes about 365 days and 5 hours 45 minutes to revolve around the Sun. अर्थ अपनी एक्सिस पे को चक्कर लगाने के लिए उसको सन के अराउंड रोटेशन करने के लिए 365 डेज लगते हैं एंड 5 hours and 45 minutes. अर्थ इज नोन एज द वाटरी प्लैनेट और द ब्लू प्लैनेट. अर्थ को हम वाटरी प्लैनेट या फिर ब्लू प्लैनेट नाम से भी जानते हैं because due to the presence of huge amount of water. Due to the presence of huge amount, काफी मात्रा पानी की काफी मात्रा के उपस्थित होने के कारण इसको हम ब्लू प्लैनेट के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Earth has a protective blanket of ozone layer high up in its atmosphere to save life from harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. If we talk about the mean distance from the sun, it is 149,40700 kilometers. The equatorial diameter is 12,753 kilometers. And if we talk about polar distance, it is 12,710 kilometers. And equatorial circumference is 40,600 kilometers. Period of rotation is 23 hours and 56 minutes. And period of revolution is 365 days, 5 hours 48 minutes and 45.51 seconds. Total area is 510,100,500 square kilometers. So this was all about the planet Earth, and there is some fact about solar system. That is, the universe or the cosmos consists of millions of galaxies. A galaxy is a huge assemblage of stars held together by the forces of gravity. Existence of galaxies beyond Milky Way was first demonstrated by Edwin Hubble in 1924. He proved that the galaxies are flying away from each other and that the farther they are, the faster they fly. This means that the universe is expanding like a balloon that is being blown up. Our galaxy is the Milky Way, that is Akashganga. It is a spiral in shape. It consists of over 100 million billion stars rotating and revolving around its center. The nearest galaxy to ours is Andromeda. So this was all about galaxy. Now in this slide we have discussed what is solar system, what is what are planets, what are different planets, 8 planets of our solar system, and what are asteroids, some facts about Earth, and some facts about our solar system. And we have discussed also about dwarf planet. So this was all about today.